we're back to learning Gimp. Let me show you how you can create this lights on effect. We have the original right here. I like to work on copies, so I copy it. That's just so that we have the original as backup. Now use the paths tool and I create something like this. Hold Control, click on the start point, it's going to close the shape. And then you can hover over this line, left click drag, and it's going to be curved. You can adjust these nodes easily, just left click on them. Readjust the angle if you have to, or the curve on top. Will be good here. Now I create a new layer, let me call it light, and it's important that it's transparent. Now right click, select from path. Afterwards we need the gradient tool. You can also press G for that. Make it foreground to transparent. Now we want to have linear as a shape. Let me double click on the color swatch and I'll make this foreground color almost white to light yellowish. Something like this. Then go to the top. Left click drag. So on top it needs to be more visible than at the bottom because there's the light source. We've got that covered. Then go to filters, blur, Gaussian blur. Previous checked. Then you want to go up. Not too much. Around 20 to 30 maybe. I'll confirm. We're almost done, but you can see it exceeds a little bit the light source right here. So right click on this light layer, add layer mask, make it white. And we'll paint on the layer mask now, using the brush tool, make your foreground color black, and you can adjust the size right here. Just left click drag, and it's going to erase this part of the light. And now it's better. Afterwards you can adjust the intensity using the opacity slider right here. And this is how you can create this lights on effect in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.